Welcome. My name is Andres Camacho. I lead the RoyalCondor team. Today I will present to you the new manual sprayer RoyalCondor Plus, developed with cutting-edge technology, our traditional performance and quality. RoyalCondor Plus features external piston pump integrated to the pressure chamber, less components, which makes it easy to put it together, 5-gallon capacity, wide and inclined tank opening for easy filling, robust yet light, weighs less than 10 pounds. The tank filter has conic shape, 100% mesh, for quick and efficient filtering. The lid can be easily tightened with just one hand. Let's now take a look at the tank. The curved shape is specifically designed to fit to the user's back, making it very comfortable to carry. The straps adjust perfectly to the shoulders. They connect to the sprayer with movable strap holders that allow to fit to any body type. Straps can very easily attached. With little pressure to the bottom of the sprayer, when you hear a click, you'll know they are in place. Let's now take a look at the back of the sprayer, opening the lid that protects the pumping system. Remember before each use to lubricate the pump. To install the lever, one must lower the pumping system, and the lever can be placed in 3 different positions, according to the user's body type. Then you put the screw in place to secure the lever in place. Then the back lid can be closed. The lever is very versatile, as it can be adjusted horizontally, as well as adjust the range of motion for pumping. For a detailed explanation for lubrication and how to affix the lever, you can watch other videos here in RoyalCondor YouTube channel. Trigger valve has a safety feature to keep the valve closed during setup and continuously open for spraying. Plus includes 2 nozzles, one 600 cubic centimeters per minute plastic to spray herbicides, and a 600 cubic centimeters per minute of bronze nozzle for foliar spraying. Using RoyalCondor Plus is very easy. First, the lever must be positioned according to your body type. Second, choose the nozzle according to the spraying you need. Third, once full, wear it on your back. Fourth, adjust the straps, fixing the strap to the sprayer frame when you hear the click. Fifth, pull from the strap end to adjust to your back. Sixth, with the valve closed, pressurize the sprayer chamber, moving the lever up and down. About 15 cycles to generate a good working pressure. Seventh, direct the nozzle to the target. Free the trigger lock and activate to start spraying. Eighth, to finish spraying, close the valve. And if needed, activate the safety lock. Cleaning RoyalCondor Plus is simple. Pour about 1 to 2 liters of clean water to the tank and let it run through the system. Clean the tank filter and the trigger valve filter to give maintenance to the spheres. Superior and inferior. You can find all the information in RoyalCondor YouTube channel. RoyalCondor Plus will provide countless work hours, effortless and efficient. With RoyalCondor, ensure spare parts availability
and 2 years warranty.
For more information, visit www.royalcondor.us.